Good morning, sir. Good morning, class. Put the books in your bag. Let us begin today's lesson. Close your books. Who is absent today? Pay attention, everybody. Are you ready? Did you get it? What did you say? Say it again, please. Come in. Have another try. We have plenty of time. Have a guess. You've almost got it. You've improved a lot. You did a great job. Thanks for your help. Have you been ill? See you tomorrow. That's all for today. Turn the page. Write on the board. Stand up. Sit down. Put your hands down. Put your hands up. Make a sentence. Look at the board. What was the matter? Pack up your books. Take your seats. I am going to take attendance. Who wants to take roll today? Please say present, when I call your name. Have you all done your homework? Yes, sir, we have done. Hand your homework in. Let me check the homework. Stay seated. Only come forward if I call your name. Get in line. Come one by one. Speak one at a time. Wait your turn. It's your turn. What have you written here? It's a little messy. Try writing neatly. Take out your English book. Aisha, bring your notebook. Revise this chapter. Read attentively. Sir, I have a question. Raise your hand please, don't call out. Don't put the bag at the front. Rather, put the bag on the side. Sharpen your pencil. Don't throw pencil shavings onto the ground. The tip of the pencil has broken. Make its point sharpen. Listen and repeat. Read out loudly. Recite the poem. Stop scribbling. Draw a straight line. Sir, I didn't understand that. Count up to 100. 100. Don't write with a pen. Write it down. Could you please repeat that? Copy it down. Memorize these question answers. Write on every other line. Could you please explain the last point? Ahmed, answer these questions. Sir, may I answer? Did you understand what I said? Are there any questions? Don't fight. Don't be shy. Set the table. Very good. Go to bed. I'm thirsty. I'm hungry. I am angry with you. Don't play outside. Take a bath. Try again. Go and play. Put your books in the bag. Be happy. Let us play a game. This one. That one. Do it. Do it fast. Hurry up. Listen to me. I know. I don't know. No problem. Behave properly. Move aside. Move a bit. Please understand. Don't forget. I forgot. Then we will play. Don't lie. What did you eat? Don't disturb me. Don't be lazy. Have patience. Never give up. Believe me. Shut up. Write down. Go upstairs. Come downstairs. Look here. Look at me. Take it. Hold it. Stand still. Don't move. Don't cry. Don't shout. Go and study. Anything else? Nothing else. Be careful. Right now. Do it right now. What happened? Taste it. Tell me. Put them in correctly. Clean your nose. This is easy. Now you try. Why are you silent? Are you sick? Clean it. Clean this table. Never mind. It's okay. Repeat it. Take a bite. Take a sip. Give me. Give it to me. Say goodbye. Say goodbye to uncle. What is this? Keep quiet. Get ready. Show me. Come in. Anything special? Something special. Don't jump. You will get hurt, you will fall down. Walk slowly. Stand up. Wake up. Eat it. Come here. Do you know? Repeat after me. Get up. Sit down. Speak loudly. Never. How did you get hurt? Don't drink cold water. Don't eat ice cream. Hold my hand. Write it down. Please raise your hand. Open your book on page 10. 10. Don't look out the window. Underline this line with a pencil. Give me your attendance. Why are you late? Be regular at school. Where have you been? It's time to stop. Don't make noise in the class. I'm prepared for the test. I have done my homework. I forgot my notebook. Is everybody ready to start? It's almost time is over. Is it clear to you? Why are you standing? Keep quiet, children. Look at the board. Do what I say. Why are you talking? Did you come yesterday? Have you written? All of you go away from here. What happened to you? Take out your textbook. Have you understood? Will you stop talking? Come fast, time up. Write down these points. Say one by one. Put your things away. Please wait a minute. Why didn't you come to school yesterday? Whose pen is this? Why are you laughing? Read the paragraph. Look at this picture. Have a guess. Pay attention, everybody. Make a sentence. Sit down. Stand up. Write on the board.